Hey, history buffs! Today let's dive into the intense and complex Vietnam War. This conflict, lasting from 1955 to 1975, was a pivotal moment in 20th century history. It not only shaped the future of Vietnam, but also had profound effects on global politics and society. First, some context. The Cold War was in full swing, with the US and the Soviet Union locked in a tense ideological struggle. This period was marked by a constant threat of nuclear war and a fierce competition for global influence. Vietnam, then a French colony, found itself at the center of this global conflict. The struggle for independence from French colonial rule was already brewing, setting the stage for a larger confrontation. Post-World War II, Vietnam was divided at the 17th parallel, North Vietnam, led by Communist Ho Chi Minh, and South Vietnam, supported by the US. This division was meant to be temporary, but it soon became a flashpoint for conflict. The US feared the domino theory, the idea that if one country fell to communism, others in the region would follow. This fear was a driving force behind US involvement in Vietnam, as they sought to contain the spread of communism in Southeast Asia. This theory drove US policy in Vietnam for 2 decades. American leaders believed that a communist victory in Vietnam would have a domino effect, leading to the spread of communism throughout Asia. As the 1960s progressed, US involvement escalated. Advisors became troops, and by 1965, there were over 200,000 US soldiers in Vietnam. The US was now fully committed to a war that would become increasingly controversial. The tactics used were devastating. From Agent Orange, a defoliant causing severe health issues, to search and destroy missions that often resulted in civilian casualties. These methods sparked outrage and raised ethical questions about the conduct of the war. Then came the Tet Offensive in 1968. During the Vietnamese New Year, North Vietnamese and Viet Cong forces launched a massive, coordinated attack. This surprise offensive targeted major cities and military bases across South Vietnam. Although militarily a failure for the North, it was a psychological blow to US forces and public opinion. The scale and intensity of the attacks shocked the American public and led to growing doubts about the war's winnability. The war was now seen as unwinnable. The Tet Offensive marked a turning point, leading many to question the US strategy and the overall purpose of the war. Back home, the anti-war movement was gaining traction. Protests erupted across the country, from college campuses to the streets. The American public was increasingly vocal in its opposition to the war, demanding an end to the conflict. The war had become immensely unpopular, and pressure mounted on the government to withdraw. Politicians faced growing demands to bring the troops home and end the costly and divisive war. By 1973, US troops were being pulled out, and in 1975, Saigon fell to North Vietnamese forces. The fall of Saigon marked the end of the Vietnam War and the beginning of a new chapter for Vietnam. The war ended, leaving a unified communist Vietnam. But the social, political, and human costs were staggering. The conflict left deep scars on both Vietnam and the United States, affecting generations to come. The Vietnam War remains a powerful reminder of the complexities and consequences of global conflict. Thanks for joining me on this journey through history. Be sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more deep dives into the past. Your support helps us continue to explore and understand the events that have shaped our world. Catch you in the next one.